Shortcuts, we earned our names. In the court, respect the game. From the baseline up to the D, everything we do, A to Z. Let it by let it, build it strong. Break a step back, made it slow. For the moment, for the stage. Now we write our legacy page. This is A to Z. From A to Z, we rise, we lead. Built on heart and unity. That's A to Z. Energy, energy. This is A to Z. From the start to victory. Hands up, just make it loud. A to Z. We make it proud. Different type, we lock it down. Fast break fly, we on this town. Team first mindset, that's the code. Pressure high, but we never fold. Different jerseys, one belief. Hard work brings us sweet relief. Every beat just made us strong. Got a whole arena sings along. It's more than a game. It's family. It's discipline. It's unity. Through every fall, we stand tall. Together we rise. We give our all. This is A to Z. From A to Z, we rise, we lead. Built on heart and unity. That's A to Z. Energy, energy. This is A to Z. From the start to victory. A to Z. Oh yeah, yeah.
Maracas game, dude. Are you recording? Why are you recording? Why are you recording? I'm gonna get money, man. They said they posted. Yeah, but like, why are you recording? Warm up.
Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm leading you through a 30-minute core and glute focused workout without any equipment. This is also a no repeat class, so you will not get bored. There's going to be something new happening every single minute, so make sure that you can see the screen so you can follow along with me, and without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, we are going to do a very quick warm-up, just warming up the core and warming up the hips, the glutes, making sure that they're ready to go. So starting off, we're going to step side to side, bringing the knees up, drawing half circles with the knees. Thinking about keeping a straight torso here, long spine, feeling that core engage as we lift the knee.
I'm the best camera fan.
I barely saw it, bro. Honestly.
Good, shake it out. We're going to step our feet open, nice and wide, arms out to the side. We're going to keep a slight bend in the knees, hinging at the hips, reaching for opposite foot, and then back to center. You're going to feel that slight stretch in the hamstrings. You also might feel those glutes fire up. But I also want you to think about your core. So as you're leaning forward, feel that core engage. Good, shake it out and step those feet in a little bit closer. We're going to come down into a low squat if you can. Just allowing those hips to open. And from here, you're either going to have your fingers underneath the toes or on your mat. And you're going to stretch your legs up, hold for a second, and slowly come back down.
Okay, let's start.
My neck is gonna hurt, bro. Just make it lower. Are you gonna go practice on Tuesday? Probably not. Why? It's so hard. It's so good. We have when you're playing to oh yeah, that. Yeah, I saw it. That's right. Arrogant. Yeah, heard that.
A to C Internal Basketball League, under 16,
Not like reverse. Like easily done.
Timberwolves
And
against
their last pivot, they
Miami
did the
Heat.
reverse button. Like this. This is from, no, I think 24. The series win. The series win. The series win. It's not hard. It's not hard. It's just like, if you understand what everyone is so good. You get paid every time.
Jet, pinaka Jet.
Hindi even do anything. Like half an hour ago. I want Darius to join too. Say he's not coming. Like, we're not gonna practice? He's not coming. He's supposed to not training.
Player suites, player suites.
He used to be in basketball. Is it good? Like, compared to... He used to be... Now, I don't think so. He used to be like a shooter.
Okay, let's start the ball.
He's
Go.
kind of a ball.
Wait, the ball.
He used to be like a really good shooter because he has like a 21-year-old brother. So what? He's also good. Both good. But like now, he's not even gonna jump. At this point,
But now he's like short and fast. I don't think he has the subs.
Balls from number 7. 44 rebound. Intercepted by number 7.
What team is
No good. 17.
What team is good? Grace Griffin.
Number 4, pass to number 13.
Grace Timberwolves? Yeah.
To number 17. It's a travel in violation. Blue ball.
So this is gray, right? Okay. Out.
Out of bounds.
But used to be with me like my level. I pushed so much more than him. He used to play in
Number
the
4.
So he was
Vega.
oh shit.
Slicing the defense.
Oh, yeah.
Number 17. Basket connect. Claveria.
Point, right?
Vega. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 30 to number 9. It's a jump ball. Timberwolves ball. Seventeen. 44 is addressed, no good. Rebound by number 13. Side ball. Out of bounds. Miami Heat. Out of bounds.
Julian.
Dito yun. Number 7. It's a foul. Who's foul? Number 51 foul. Number 13 basket. Number 7, attacking, layup, 2 points. no good. Number 13 rebounds to number 7. To number 9. No good. $51 to number 4. No good. 14 seconds to shoot.
Oh yeah!
Good pass. 44. Seven to 13. Number 13.
Oh yeah!
Basket collect. Is foul rep.
Wait, that's it, right?
Number 18. 17 foul.
Wait, there's one. Blue is one.
First foul. Second team foul. Number 7. No good. Another by number 7.
one.
Number 44. Legal contact to the head. First foul. Third team foul. Bonus shot. Rebound. Iba na ang matangkad.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, nice pass!
Another number 7. Rebound by number 17. 51. Intercepted. Number 9. 2 points, number 9. 4-10 in favor of Heat. No good. Intercepted. Good pass. Time out. Timberwolves. Time out. Score 4-10. Favor of Timberwolves. No, Heat. Favor of Heat.
You get money at Lara is the money. How much? I don't know, I think like 50. Get up! Wait, she pays you.
Okay, let's start walking. Okay, start. Last 14 to shoot. Last 14 to shoot. Five seconds violation. Number 9. According to shoot. 3-point basket, no good. Rebound by number 13.
Oh yeah, Romy!
Number 7 again. Basket connect. Number 4. Looking for his companion. The number 13. 14 to shoot. Rebound 13 to number 7. Slashing through. 2 points. 44. Points number 4.
Hey, let me add one. If this good, let me add it.
Intercepted by number 17. Out of bounds. Blue ball. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Pointing to shoot. 10, 9, 8, intercepted, number 13. Blue ball, last time, number 13. Last 2 minutes. 7 to number 9. Number 9 to number 7 intercepted. Almost. 3-point shot, no good. And a foul committed by number 9. It's blocking foul number 9. First personal foul and first team foul. 1 and 13. Same ball, 40 to shoot. No good rebound and 40 to shoot. To 44. Intercepted. Foul. Number 51. First foul and warning for penalty. Last 30 seconds. Last throw is rebound, last 20 seconds. Number 17, second personal foul and penalty. Number time. Time's up. to the ball game. Blue ball.
Oh yeah. This is gonna play. Why?
Okay, let's start, coach. Paper balls. Tuck in, tuck in. Great defense, blue ball, great defense. Number 30, to 0, back to 30. Pointing to shoot.
Oh shit.
40 seconds to shoot.
What the fuck?
Number 5, attack, basket. Eight 40.
Oh yeah.
40 to shoot. Number 29. Blue ball. Zero. Attack. Forty to shoot. Castro. 2 points. 18-8. $29 intercept. Number 47. Intercepted by number 11. Good out.
Look at this score in the side.
20 rebound. Bad pass. No good. Number 30. No good.
Oh yeah. Don't get second play. That can't.
Blue ball. Putting to shoot.
Oh, backwards.
Okay, backcourt. Gray ball. $51. No good. Blue ball. 6 and 40.
For the guy just wants the ball on the 20, 29.
Yes, now. 30 to 29 to 28. It's a traveling violation. No good. Number 30. All the way. And foul. Number 5. Illegal contact to the hands by number 5. First team foul.
Number 5? Nakapasok mo yung 55 yata yan eh. Number 5 yan. First foul pa lang yan. First foul pa lang. Oo. Ano bigay? Bago lang yan. Ano bigay? You have a game today?
Against who? Against my
51. Three basket, no good. Number 77. Rebound. 47. No good. Rebound again. Number 0. Zero. Pull up, no good. 77 rebound to 47.
Go, go, go!
And number 5. No good. Rebound by number 20.
Oh yeah!
Number 5 basket. 10, 18.
Down there. Go beside of Arden.
Last 14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 77 rebound.
All, show me some show! Go, Julian, master!
Yeah, Alex, keep going everywhere faster.
Ooh!
29-0. No good. Number 20. And number 5. Another shot, no good.
Guy there, with the backpack.
Julian!
Why is he so late?
51. No basket. Number 30 rebound.
Labs is full of first medals.
Number 28. No good. Number 30. No good again. Rebound by number 11. 29 to 30. It's a foul.
Yeah, but you can't dunk.
Oh my God, shot.
77 foul. To the head. 2 shots.
This thing I'm shot without the best. So without any muscle, it's fine.
First foul. Second team foul.
Like that, like that.
Last throw jumpers ready.
Guys, that's so much visual, bro.
No good. 2 minutes.
Oh yeah!
Now you're number 5 to 47 and a foul. Number 29, legal contact to the hands, 2 shots. First foul, and first team foul. No good. Last 2 jumpers ready. 1 and 5 seconds. Another no basket. 29, pull up, no good. Great ball. 45 seconds for the second quarter. Number 5 attack, basket connect. "25 seconds.
They can take a scrimmage and you can play like
Pull up, no good. Out of bounds. Last 10 seconds. 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, bang! End of the second quarter. Score 18-12 in favor of Miami Heat.
Oh yeah!
Back to the ball game.
Robbie! Dunk it, dunk it, dunk it!
Blue defense, blue defense, blue. Okay. Wolves ball, Wolves, Wolves. Wolves ball.
Wait, what quarter is it?
Start of the third quarter, number 4 to 44. 3-point basket, no good. Rebound by number 17. Last 40 to shoot.
No, it's the third quarter. Third.
7. Miscommunication. Good pass. 44. Ang haba eh. No good. 3, 2. Number 7 rebound. Rebound.
Oh yeah!
Number 4 basket. 16-20. Heat. Number 9. No good. Gray ball. Number 5. Good pass again. 17. 18-20. Number 9 to number 3. To number 7, Hagel. Last burning to shoot. We will basket, no good. Intercepted by number 7. Basket correct.
He scored.
22-18. 13, pass to 17, pull up, no good. Rebound by Potipor to number 5. Intercepted by number 9. Basket correct. Number 4, first personal foul, first team foul. No good, 44. The number 5. 77 to number 4, Vega. Intercepted for number 9. To number 3.
Blue teeth.
26-18. Malayo ulit. Vega. Slicing pass, good pass. Oh my God. Nice connection by number 4, number 17. Number 9. Pass to 13. Pull up. No good. 44 rebounds. Intercepted by number 7. Here we go. Number 1. Basket.
Yes, come on.
Good, good, good.
Lock him up, lock him up. Lock him up.
Last 40 to shoot. And a foul. Number 11.
Can this guy like get goggles or something, bro?
First foul and first team foul. Good pass again. Another 14. Intercepted.
Nobody heard that. Nobody heard that.
Out of bounds.
Why did everybody become so quiet?
Both social awareness skills is zero after that block. Both social awareness.
Vega.
I bet both social awareness is zero after that block.
Good pass again. Number 7, 2 points.
Stay on it, bro.
No good. 7-7 rebound and a foul. Now a foul by number 11. Holding foul. Second personal foul and second team foul. Last two jumpers ready. No good. 11 to number 7. Number 9. Attack. Pass to number 11. No good. Rebound by 44. Miscommunication again. Last 2 minutes. 40 to shoot. 10, 9, 8.
Wala na.
Number 44, basket. (30-20). Miami Heat leading 7. No good. 40 to shoot. 11 basket.
5 minutes. Ako na yung
Seconds to play. Another shot by number 7. 45 seconds. Rebound 17. Number 7. Last 20 seconds.
Again. Isa pa.
10. That's 5 seconds. 2, 1. Bang!
Yo, it's 2036.
Yo, coach, what's quarter?
Score 36-20 in favor of Miami Heat. Okay, blue ball. to shoot.
Go! Yeah, this one first. Oh my gosh.
Same ball.
There's only one ideal game today. Now there's two.
40 to shoot. Number 20, basket. $29,
Oh yeah, Keith. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Shoot it, shoot it.
30. Last 40 to shoot. No good. Another 40 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Another intercept. 0. 3 points, no good. Rebound by number 4.
All yours.
All the way. No good. Number 3 to 28. 2 points, number 28. 38-22.
Bang, bang.
3-point basket, number 4. Oh. 25-38. 13-point lead.
Oh, point mentality. Walking man.
40 to shoot. Number 51, no good. Rebound 0. All the way. Great ball. Rebound basket, no good. Rebound number 20. Attack, no good. Blue ball. Number 30 to number 3. No good. Number 8. Last 14. Rebound. Bad pass. Another intercept by number 7. Number 20. And good. Intercepted by number 4. Basket connect. Another intercept by number 4.
Oh,
Basket
yeah.
connect again. Back-to-back shot. 29-30. 9 points lead.
Wait, actually might come back. Wait, how many more minutes? He might come back.
Last 5 and 45 seconds. 40 to shoot. 10. Great ball. Vega.
Nice one, Julian.
Another pull-up. No good rebound by 77. Intercepted. 28. Attack.
Oh yeah. All yours.
51. No good. 36. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Gray ball, gray ball. Blue, kulang ng isa. Okay, go, go, go. Good pass. And a basket. Who's foul? 3-0. Number 17 again. 2 points. Number 17. 33-38. And a backcourt violation. If there is no backcourt, it's a traveling violation. 4-25, 33-38. Number 5 to number 4. 14 to shoot. Basket! 36-35. 36-38. And a foul. Number 17 foul. Last 14 to shoot. Intercepted. Great ball. Intercept. 5 points. Number 5, rebound by number 30. Number 3. Another backcourt violation. Substitution rep. Sub rep, sub. 36-38. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 4. Driving. Passing. Number 44. Pull up. Basket. Time score. Same ball. Number 7, pass to 29, backcourt. Last 2 minutes. Blue ball. Crucial error. 30-40. 2. Number 11, three-point shot, no good. Out of bounds. Same ball. substitution. Sam. Time out! Blue.
Nice one, keep. Stop.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Update your glasses.
Why?
I've been calling him
I want iOS 26. I want iOS 26. I cannot see.
Okay, coaches, back to the ball game. Okay, 14 seconds to shoot now. 14 seconds to shoot.
What? Who you texting now? Lucas.
Good pass. Seventeen. Fourteen to shoot. 10. No good. Another 14 to shoot. No good. 1 and 5 seconds. 29. Pull up, no good. Number 9, no good. Last 50 seconds. 3-point basket, no good. Rebound by number 7. Last 40 seconds. 3-point basket, no good again. 77 to number 4. Last 30.
Mason.
Blue ball. Last 26 seconds. 26, 38, 42. 20. 40 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7. Last 7 seconds. Time out! Miami. Timberwolves. Okay, 7 seconds remaining for the last quarter.